everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programs Made Simple. So in today's video we are going to study the program WAP to input a number and check if it's a SPY number or not using while loop. So firstly we should know what is a SPY number, and for that taking any number, for example number 123. Now we are going to take out the sum of its digits. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. So the sum is 6. Now we are going to take out the products of its digits. So 1 into 2 into 3, which is 2 ones are 2 into 3, 6. So if we are going to get the product of the digits and the sum of the digits to be equal, we can say that the number is a SPY number, otherwise the number is not a SPY number. Okay, so starting the program, you can take any class name. For example, I've taken class ABC. In void main, you have to write integer n as the question is asking the user to input a number. Over here, we took the sum of the digits and the product of the digits. So we are going to take two integers. Integer s is equal to 0 for taking out the sum, and integer p is equal to 1 for taking out the product. We are also going to take a variable d for extracting the last digits. Now, while n is not equal to 0, this means that as soon as the value of n reaches 0 in the program will stop running. Okay. Now, d is equal to n modulus 10. So, for example, if n was number 123, modulus 10. You might already be knowing that the sign of modulus gives us the remainder, whereas the sign of a divisor gives us the question. Now taking out the remainder 3. Okay, so we get that d is equal to 3 now. So s is equal to s plus d, and s was 0, so 0 plus d, which is 3. We get the value of s to be 3. Taking the product, p is equal to p into d. So p was 1, so 1 into d, which is 3. We get the final value of product is equal to 3. Okay. Now, n is equal to n modulus 10. So we are going to remove the last digit. So the number was 123, and we are going to divide it by 10. We are going to get the quotient 12. Okay. So now coming back over here, d is equal to n modulus 10. So n is 12 over here. 12 modulus 10 will give us the remainder 2. So now the value of d is 2. Now s is equal to s plus d, and the value of s was 3. So 3 plus d, which is 2, we get the value of s to be 5. The product was 3 into d, which is 2. We get the final value of the product to be 6. N is equal to n divided by 10. So n was 12 divided by 10, we get the quotient 1. Okay. Now extracting the last digit, n, which was 1, modulus 10, the remainder would be 1. Okay. So s is equal to s plus d, and s was 5 plus d, which is 1. This gives us the final value of s to be 6. And p, which was 6, into d, which is 1, we get the final value of the product to be 6. Then we are going to remove the digit. So n divided by 10, we are going to get the quotient 0. So the program will stop over here. Now we are going to check the condition. If s is equal to p, we can say that the number is a SPY number. So let's check it over here. This is the value of s, and this is the value of p. These two values are equal, so we can say that the number 123 is a SPY number. If these two conditions would have not been equal, we would have said that the number is not a SPY number.